anti-clockwise. Mistakes. It is a hot day. What's up, cricks? How you guys are doing? It's been a really long time since I talked to you guys or even do a video. But right now, if you guys have followed me on Instagram, there is a little project. A project that I'm doing right now. It's actually building a drift car right now. Thing is, people around here, they're not so used to what I'm doing, carrying this big camera. This guy is watching me. He's gonna run. It's really good to see you guys. It's good to be doing at least a video. I know you guys have been waiting so long, but we got a little project right now. It's happening. Hey, you should follow me on Instagram to check out the real-time update. And guess what, guys? Look what I got. My life be like ooh, ooh. My life be like ooh, yeah. You guys, if you know it, you know it. If you don't, let me give you some small little education. This is a freaking 2J, guys. 3-liter twin turbo from an Aristo, and it's the same engine as the Supra, so make sure you check it out. It's gonna be working on this baby. And there's Mae right there. If you guys remember, we celebrate his birthday over here. Birthday to you. Sekarang ekonomi tak bagus, so dia punya kick sudah downsize dah. Ingat tak, Mae? Lama dah, no? 4 tahun dah. So I'm gonna be working on this engine with Mael, and it's gonna be on Alteza, the Alteza that I just picked up. And I'm planning to build like a simple drift car, not so full out, you know. Today I'm just gonna open it. That day we stayed back real late to take out the engine from the half cut.
Through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why.
Meow.
All that I wanted, the power and affection, I saw it dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems.
Beautiful engine is out.
Should be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
We got a manual gearbox over there. This is the auto gearbox. Hi, how are you doing? Bagus. Okay. Right now I'm just gonna keep it as simple as possible. I'm gonna check out whether the turbo condition is fine. If it is not good, I guess we're going single turbo. But let's not hope, because I'm on a very tight budget, and I'm not gonna spend so much on this because I just want it to be simple. You know, key thing to keeping a drift car alive and fun to drive is to keep it as simple as possible. You don't want to overbuild the drift car because it's not gonna give you fun, because it's gonna give you problem. So I'm just trying to go aim for reliability and fun. It's gonna be a long process because it's not gonna happen overnight. It's gonna take days, maybe months. I did not bring the Alteza. I have not dropped the engine in there. It's running a 3S engine. I'm sorry that I'm not speaking English if you guys are new to this. Let's go work on this. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna open up everything, give it a nice clean and a bathe before it goes into my beautiful Alteza. Check this out. I got this from Japan, which is Origin overall, and I think it's pretty sick. Many Malaysians don't use overalls, but I ain't gonna dirty my outside clothes, so I'm gonna put on this suit.
I told you she went iffy to Bob, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why are you all on my phone like you want me, like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side? I don't know if you bitches are thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes, I'm...
So back to the engine, I'm gonna open up the turbo and the intake side to check whether the turbo is fine. Hopefully it's all good. Fingers crossed.
Mixing, I know I've been missing, I needed some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions, I don't with your digits, I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems.
So I got the heat shield out. Right now I'm just checking of the free play of the turbo. Seems fine. Just a little bit of free play on this side. I'm not sure what all this. Oh no, what's that? For this sort of things, I really need to ask Mail because Mail is more experienced in this. So let me go and call him and let him have a look and tell me what his diagnosis is. I'm learning from Mail, so it's part of my journey. Mail is teaching me. Sikit saja macam 1 mm.
Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging, and I'm in.
So it's already 6 p.m. The weather is a bit raining. I have made very little progress because I was going around it the wrong way. I tried to cut some corners, see whether it comes off with one piece by taking out the extractor screw. But actually, you have to take it out one by one. First, actually, you have to take out the downpipe thingy, and then this one slides off, and then slowly take it out. And so I've been going around it for a few hours, and I did it wrongly. But that's part of fixing cars. Especially this is my first time trying to learn. I guess that's part of it. Banging walls and learning from it. So I kind of waste a lot of time. Damn it. It's going to be sundown soon. Take 5.
I don't know if you bitches are thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes.
Woo! So much time wasted. Yeah, people, I cut my hair. This is one of the reasons why I cut my hair is because I'm going to be in the workshop more often, and I was afraid that my dreads get too, you know, I know I'm going to sweat a lot. So that's why I got rid of it, and hopefully it's much more simpler because I really want to build this car, and hopefully I can build it and finish it and maybe give you guys a ride, maybe at a drift session. Wouldn't that be cool? Yeah, fun stuff, fun stuff. Really excited. Finally! It's been years! I've been looking for a toy car to play.
I just can't change my emotions.
Bundu the hero! Yes! Twin turbo for sale! High five! High five! So the turbo is out finally. Been battling with this till sundown. Learn a lot of stuff. I know we hit some walls a bit, but part of learning. Part of learning. Berat kan? Berat kan? So we managed to take out half of the intake manifold. Cleared all the harness over there. We're gonna call it a night. My friend here broke a few clips, but but I broke more clips. Some walls to bang. We broke the injector clips.
Shawn Lee.
That's me.
Shawn Lee. But he broke one of these clips, which is this one.
Sorry.
Tak apa. I broke more clips anyway. Hopefully we still can find those socket clips. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So we're gonna pack up. There is at least progress, you know. The turbo is out, the manifold is out, the half intake manifold is out. Right now, just pack it up and we'll continue another day. Iya, satu clip saja mah.
Ya.
Jalan. Ayo. Pip. Barang. Pip.
Masuk motor sana, masuk sana. Hari ini tidur tandas. Ya, boleh dah. Tolong dah.
Good night, 2J. Mwah. Guess what time is it? It is 2 a.m. Wrong, huh? Every time when they close the workshop, they gotta call the cat. It is the workshop mascot, so gotta call it in before we close up the place because we don't want the cat to be like missing. And every night he does that. Mail will call the cat.
My therapy.
Cat is your therapy. June. I should wash it hotter, right? Because of the grease, right?
Hotter, sir. Hotter, I scared it will ruin the material.
See how noob we are? Gotta wash the overalls because I was sweating like crazy. And guess who's here? What are you doing, dude?
Blowing the cockroach.
Where?
Is it still alive? Yeah, it's like...
I don't think so, it's alive, dude.
It's like 2% battery.
Dude, there's ants eating it, bro.
Yeah, it's still moving.
What do you want to say? So long never see them. What do you want to say? Say something.
My name, yeah.
My name Jeff. That concludes the whole day that what I was doing. I was practically just there fixing, not fixing actually, taking it apart. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Whatever you're doing. Hey wait, do I want to say something else? I can't just leave it just like that, right? It's been so long. I never do. I should say something.
You should have like a sit down speech.
Nah, whatever you're doing, cook it up.
Shot. Bring it on, bring it, bring it, bring it on, bring it, bring it on, bring it, bring it, bring it on, bring it, bring it on, bring it, bring it, bring it on, bring it, bring it on, bring it, bring it, bring it on.
唔係唔夠，嗰個 engine 好多女可以做，俾你多啲 torque 啊。嗰四係 NA 嘛，你可以玩 drift，so
呢個係有咩？
spin turbo。